not far to go now. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Well, it's going to be a surprise for somebody today. I'm in front of Theoc 4x4 today with another surprise. I bet Graham is going to be over chuffed with my latest purchase with this Tata LoadBeta project. So let's see his impression. He don't know well, he kind of know I'm coming, but he don't know what I'm coming with. So let's give him a knock and see what's his reaction going to be. Incoming! Hello mate, how are you?
Oh, better for seeing you.
Guess what? You know I said I picking up another project?
Yeah. I'm hazarding a guess, this is it.
Yes. You know what it is it? You know what vehicle is it?
Well, it's a Tata. But other than that, one that's been hacked about.
Well, it's
Is it a proper pickup?
It is a proper pickup, and it's been modified slightly.
I see.
I'm not sure about the color scheme myself, but
No.
it's, yes, there is text.
2 litre diesel.
2 litre diesel, slow as anything. It's so quiet when I come in, isn't it? You never hear it coming.
I'm going to hazard a guess, this is the bit where it's going to bite then.
Well, shall we find out?
Go on then. I take it just doesn't run. Actually, it looks quite high off the floor. That engine is either light.
Or it's been lifted. You into lifted trucks?
Yeah. Let's have a look then.
So this is where the surprise come in.
And we've got no gem.
No jam. The bonnet is not really on. And there is no engine. It's completely empty.
Nice.
You said you don't mind doing a project?
Well, depends on what kind of project you've got in store.
Well, as you see, we got all this big space in here. We can put any engine in there.
Oh, nice 4BT. If you're having stacks.
4BT.
Yeah.
What's a 4BT, mate?
It's more of like a commercial engine.
What, like
Smaller.
off from a 7.5 tonner or something?
No, they were 6BT, so it's the 6-cylinder with 2 cylinders cut off.
Right.
So they're a lot more compact. They're rattly, but you can get some good power out of them.
What if we go petrol?
But it says D on the side of the car, so it's a diesel.
Yeah, but we can go petrol.
Yeah, but what are you going to do with stacks? Can't have stacks with a petrol. Stacks
True.
are there, so I think a diesel would be.
I think petrol is the way forward.
No.
Yeah, ULEZ free. When we put petrol in there.
Yeah, but you can roll coal.
There is that.
Nice bit of smoke.
But if you get a petrol, you can put a big turbo on it, and it's.
You can put a big turbo on the Cummins. Compound turbos.
What you reckon, viewers? Shall we go for petrol or diesel? Drop us a comment. I vote for petrol.
Diesel for me.
Definitely petrol.
I best get looking for engines then.
Yes, because when I bought this truck, it does have an engine in there, which is, you don't know about it. I had a Pinto engine in there, a 2 litre Pinto.
Right, okay.
So this has been modified by the previous owner I bought it from. So this has already been messed about. And to be honest with you, it's nothing against the guy, but he just wanted way too much money for the Pinto engine. So I thought better off if we give it a shot and we go down on a different route.
Well, if it was a different route, then a different route is diesel.
Petrol.
It's been Raptored.
It's been Raptored, yeah.
It's like a semi
Yeah, it's not
semi-smooth.
semi-smooth, but it's not as smooth as you might like it.
No.
I think I know you'd build off-roaders in here, but this is like a proper off-roader style painting, isn't it? It's too rough for for my taste, for the normal pickup, I think.
Yeah, they just haven't put enough, because you can get the Raptor real smooth. Missing a windscreen.
Yes, that's an issue. So any of you viewers know anybody breaking a Tata LoadBeta or any windscreen to go in there, please let us know. You know, find us, drop us a comment, and we find you, or find us our Facebook page, either Theoc 4x4 or Old School Garage, because we do need a windscreen. And I had a quick search before I dropped it off, and so far no luck. So please let us know in a comment.
I got some Dixie horns.
Yeah, so the horns are, I mean, this is cool. This is cool. It's got all the lights, it's got everything on it. I think that's pretty brilliant. It's a bit of a mess in here. This is actually a bike stand. The guy built it so he can carry his motorbike around. Hence
Nice.
that's why we got this little bracelet in there, so the bike sits straight in the back of it.
That's a cool idea.
Yes. But gear stick missing.
63,000 miles.
Yes. One careful owner.
I bet that's like gone round the clock once.
Well, you don't know, do you? You don't know, do you?
Even now has been clocked.
Well,
Nice bench seat. Oh, I
I love the bench seat.
do like bench seats.
It's brilliant, isn't it? That's proper old school. I actually like this because it's so quirky.
Yeah.
Also, if you see in here, which is been done by the previous owner, he put all these switches down here, so this has been modified already. Pull handbrake, and we got some wiring in here. So there is some fuses already been put into the glove box, so the glove box is not too much use for anybody. Come to the back, we got these stacks. It's not going to be very good for a petrol engine.
No, but it'd be nice for diesel. These are an annoyance stopper, because everybody likes to have toppers until they hear them, and they're doing this.
Is it?
Yeah, so that's what the weight's for, to stop it.
Right. Lights in the back. I've seen it. It's so many cool things on it. I mean, if we come to the back of the truck, LED lights. We need to remake this one. It's a bit of a slight dent on it. Tow bar on it. One of these funky number plates on it, which is falling apart.
Yeah, slightly illegal, but
Yeah, they coming off. And we have these side lights, and I see them in action, so they do work.
right,
They flashing.
flashing.
Yeah. They flashing. It's cool as anything. I mean, there's so much details in there, you see. Domino as a valve cover, so there are cool things.
Yeah,
I actually brought some wheels to try it on the side.
shouldn't we get engines and stuff before wheels?
Everybody knows first modify then fix, isn't it?
No, that's how you work. Fix first, get it running, driving, then you can put some wheels on it. No? No.
Shall we get the wheels out? So that's an idea for a wheel. What you reckon, mate?
Not a fan. And the stud pattern doesn't look right either. So what's your plan of action there?
Well, I bought the wheels. I'm assuming it's a right PCD on it, but I realize it is not. So this might be being called off because the wheel is way too big, and we found another issue, which is we're going to show it to the viewers why none of these wheels are going to work on the Tata.
Right.
So let me show you the issue. Most wheels got about 76 millimeter of center hole alloy wheels, but the problem is with the Tata, because we got this front hub part,
Yeah.
it's not small enough to put an alloy wheel on it. So what my idea was to put like a PCD converter on it, you know, and adapters.
Yeah.
I just realized it is not going to work with that because this is way too big. and I just had a quick measure, and they are over 100 millimeters. And
Yeah,
these
by
are
the time you've done that, these wheels are going to be out here somewhere.
Yeah, which is going to be a bit too silly.
Yeah.
I don't mind silly.
You'd have to have some arches on it.
So that's where we are with the Tata so far. I had some ideas to do so, but you guys see where I'm coming from with this Tata now. It's going to be modified, and I don't know. I want to drop it down, really.
Well, I'll see what it's like when an engine's in there. I suppose it won't be too bad. Is it torsion arms? Springs and shocks.
Springs and shocks, yeah. So in the front, let me show you to the viewers what we got. There is the spring.
Shocks in the middle of the spring.
Oh, shock is middle of the spring, okay. I mean, you've done this many times, modifying off-roader, so this shouldn't be a problem, isn't it, to going down?
No. I'll tell you what I might have though. It might be too big. I got some old man emu shocks, because this is the same setup, apart from the torsion bars, as a Shogun.
Really?
Yeah. So you can adjust all the camber.
Well, adjusting a camber on this one?
Yeah, so through these bolts.
Right.
So what you do is put spacers in between this bar and the chassis, and you can adjust all the camber. And it's not like that's a bodge job, because that is how you actually do adjust it. So you can buy, so like on a Shogun, you can buy a shim pack.
Right.
To adjust it all. So if you ever lift it, drop it, obviously your camber will be out, so then you adjust it by these top bolts.
Okay, so that's what they actually for?
Yeah,
excellent.
So even though they're just bolt, that's to hold it to the chassis, but yeah, you put a shim pack in and that'll then adjust it. You got wiggle room on that then.
That sounds like a good plan, mate. What you reckon, overall condition of this pickup?
It's tidy. For its age, it doesn't look like it's had any rot. See, there's some patches and stuff that's been done previously, but then saying that, it's
an R-edge.
So for something that's that old, it's in good condition. So I've seen a couple of little patches that's been welded in whilst I've been scooting around.
Yeah, but
yeah,
it is what it is, you know. I mean, if it's 97, it's already 27-year-old. So guys, the plan is now, I need to source an engine because it's my silly idea. And obviously, I'm not going to do it behind Graham's back. We're going to talk about it, what car or what engine. You know, we're going to go for petrol or diesel, because it's going to be petrol.
Okay, we'll see.
Well, unless Graham going to pick up a diesel engine, maybe an M57 or something. But anyways, long story short, we're going to source an engine for the pickup truck, and once we source the engine, we're going to come back to you, and hopefully you're going to enjoy this journey with the pickup truck. Tata is not very popular anyway. I mean, I don't see... Do anybody see Tata recently on the road? You seen recently a Tata anywhere?
Not really. Can't remember if I've ever seen one. Definitely never seen one of these.
I never seen one of these, and I never seen somebody actually try to modify one. But guys, please let us know in the comments. Windscreen, super important. Please find us one, or if you're breaking one, or you know anything anywhere lying around, drop us a comment, please. And shall we say we see you at the next time?
Ta-da.
Bye.